Hi, this is Timo. I'm a semi-professional aircraft manufacturer, and together with my friend who is a professional aircraft manufacturer, we've built our first airplane. So I want to give you a quick walkthrough and keep it really brief here. We start with the engine brushless motor here in the front that has these foldable prop blades, and that one is mounted to a 3D printed connector piece, round enough so that the prop, when folded in, doesn't hit anything hard, and then turns into this rectangular shape. At that point, we have the cockpit for our gorilla captain that is from the glue that we've used. Perfect mascot here. And we connect it's not really styrofoam, but it's like a styrofoam-like insulation material from which most of the fuselage is built. For the wings, I want to give a huge shout out to Leander, who cut it out meticulously with a knife and turned it into this perfect wing shape. After doing that, we sanded it down a little bit, and that gave us this beautiful wing shape. We have one wing with just a sanded surface and one that has this foil that we attached on top. And the hope is just that one of the two is going to generate some lift. Then here we have the main avionics bay with the receiver, motor controller, and all that. And then the wires that are going out are for the control surfaces. Speaking of which, control surfaces, we have the ailerons over here that are just little 3D printed components, and then the servo is nicely tucked into the wing. That's beautiful. And then here are the two cables going to the back for the rudder and the elevator. And the walkthrough wouldn't be complete without briefly mentioning the beautiful biplane structure that we ended up choosing. It was partly because we thought, the wing would just get really too wide if we attached them both side by side. And then also it is inspired by the Antonov AN2, a beautiful aircraft. And then this little connector piece is just rounding that off by connecting the two wings in the same fashion as it's done on the AN2. We haven't flown it yet, so we'll now hit the road and then go to a nearby park and then take it out for a flight, for its maiden flight. The lead engineer is doing the final inspection. What do you think, Mulcher?